There's also a storm coming up, so I didn't think it was gonna be a good idea to stay inside there by myself.
Utah is known for its mighty five, but today I'm taking you to the other places, the hidden spots most visitors skip, even though these are right in their faces in between the national parks. From the most amazing scenic drive that feels like you're floating above the world, to a place at the very end that you seriously won't believe exists. I mean, let's just say I ended up inside something I've never imagined walking into. Stick around because these Utah jams are not just stops, they're unforgettable experiences. My name is Selena and welcome to my Utah Mighty 5 National Park season. I'm on a mission to hit the 5 mighty national parks in 5 days, but also challenging myself to, in between, find unique places you must stop while visiting these national parks. So come with me to discover the Route 12 in between Capitol Reef and Bryce National Park and stick to the end for the most incredible find. Alright everyone, right after the gas station, we start Scenic Route 12. Let's go. Welcome to Scenic Byway 12, 124 miles of pure magic stretching between Bryce Canyon and Capitol Reef. It's an official all-American road, which basically means it's not just a road, it's a destination. And honestly, it became one of the most beautiful drives of my entire life. What makes this route so special is that you feel like you're traveling across 5 landscapes at once. Before you get to the so expected dramatic cliffs and high mountain passes, the drive welcomes you with something unexpected, a peaceful stretch of forest. Coming from Capitol Reef, the first thing you notice is how the red desert suddenly transforms into tall pines, cool shade, and winding mountain curves.
I was definitely not expecting a mountain view on this drive, and this is absolutely stunning. Take a look.
Standing up here, it's wild to think this entire region was once a blank spot on the map, the last uncharted wilderness in the continental US explorers passed through, but the land was so rugged they couldn't stay to survey it. It took John Wesley Powell's team years to finally map these canyons, rivers, and mountains. And now, we get to see it effortless from this very road. And the coolest thing, this is part of your route from one park to the other. And you even find pullouts on the road with information for you to learn, as well as restrooms for you to use.
Alright, so if you're gonna do the Escalante trail, when you get to the parking lot, it's a little deceiving because I found a trail over there up the mountains. But instead, you wanna come to the end towards the greens. And here, you can register if you're gonna spend time overnight. And it tells you that there's no marked trails for you to follow the river. And right down there, you can see there's a sign with how many miles. So here you go. If you want to explore Lake Powell, 70 miles that way. But the Escalante Natural Bridge is 2, the Arch is 3, and the Escalante itself is 15 miles to the right. So I am gonna continue enjoy exploring the scenic driveway. So this way I won't have to rush through it. And as I already mentioned to you all, exhaustion really hit me today. And it's peak of the afternoon, it's really hot. Definitely not the right decision to do that. So let's continue.
cannot recommend you do this drive enough. This is absolutely mind-blowing. At minutes, you are driving through a forest and then through a white rocky mountain in a blink of an eye in the middle of the red rocks, and it's just an unbelievable scenic and experience. But even more than that, it surprises you with some of the most amazing stops. This brought me right back into my Disney brain.
This drive turned out to be the best day drive ever. So I totally feel like I'm living a Cars life. Life is a highway. And I stopped in this point view I'm gonna show you. It really looks like it came out of the Cars movie. It's so cool. And they have all the stickers and the side rails over here. So it's time to add our mark.
No wonders why this transferred me right back into Cars Land. I love when I do my research when I edit these episodes for you to find information, and the designers of Cars Land borrowed the look from these layered rock formations in Monument Valley, and we're just a few miles northeast of it. Those artists did it so well that now I'm in the real deal, and instead I'm thinking I'm in the cartoon. Ka-chow, adventures! This part right here, we continue with that feeling of being in a Disney park, and we're literally driving a roller coaster ride. You're not just on a road, you're riding the backbone of a sandstone spine carved over millions of years. Below you, canyons widening into the horizon. On both sides, sheer drop-offs where rivers once carved their way through ancient rock. There are no guardrails here, just you, the asphalt, and the dizzying silence that reminds you how small you are compared to this landscape. This is the wild heart of Utah, and this ridge is the pulse. Its name, the Hogback, a razor-thin ridge with these canyons dropping dramatically on both sides. It looks terrifying, but it was one of the most amazing and exciting adventures driving this camper van through. Just a little far down this drive is the tiny town of Escalante, and it was a huge history. When Escalante was only 3 years old, it became the departure point of the famous Hole in the Rock expedition. The name comes from a narrow crack in the cliffs that pioneers spent months widening so wagons could descend almost 1,000 feet toward the Colorado River. This area isn't just beautiful, it's a place shaped by bravery, grit, and some of the toughest journeys in the West. Continuing on the road, just as you think you have seen already all the beauty this route has to offer, that's when you continue to get surprised. Those scenic changes just keep coming at you. This is another spot you cannot miss in between parks. This secret, we are literally walking through a dragon's ribs. This narrow tunnel carved under Highway 89 isn't a cave or a cave system. It was built simply as a drainage tunnel to redirect canyon water under the road. But time and water turned this ordinary passage into something magical. The constant flow slowly sculptured the sandstone walls into rippling, rib-like arches. Walking through them now, you feel like you're inside a beast. Shadows curve around you. The floor is rough and uneven and very sandy. And this is the literal view of there's a light in the end of the tunnel. This is such a great experience, and it's just a little stroll. In only a few minutes, you can reach the other side. The tunnel itself is about 100 yards. But somehow, it feels like a secret passage into another world. You can hear the echo of your footsteps and maybe the sound of dripping water. But a quick heads up, this tunnel is a drainage channel, so if there's any rain on the horizon, skip it. Flash flooding can strike fast. But if not, breathe slow and watch your step, turn on your headlamp, and get ready for an experience that feels more like magic than a road trip stop. Now, if you're like me, you wouldn't want to miss out if there was another next secret tunnel or something even greater to see. So I kept exploring past the tunnel, but I'll save your time and energy. There is nothing after that. So get to the other side, see the light, turn around, and go back. But this visit is definitely worth the experience. Mark this place on your itinerary. This is the Belly of the Dragon.
This Belly of the Dragon was so cool. Super short. I could swear I saw videos with other places inside it, but I couldn't find it. There's also a storm coming up, so I didn't think it was gonna be a good idea to stay inside there by myself.
Next in our list is to head to Bryce Canyon National Park. And the drive continuing to Bryce did not disappoint at all. We should get some pizza for tonight at Bryce. Let's go.
So right next to the gas station is the pizza place. And I will definitely let you know. I mean, you're gonna have to stay and watch after I eat at the end of the day. But it's super cute place. A nice stop in between a park and another. I like that 7 days without pizza make 1 week. It sure does. And it is a super nice, air-conditioned, simple restaurant. They also have sitting outside. Dinner with a view. All right, everyone, pizza in hands, and we met Grace and Adrian here. Hi. Definitely come visit this place and get some great pizza on your way to Bryce or to, where did I come from? Capitol Reef. See you guys when I eat this pizza. Bye. Bye. Enjoyed the tips and inspirations from this episode, and if you did, leave it a like, a comment, and make sure you subscribe, because next Sunday we're gonna explore Bryce Canyon National Park and some of the most impressive places I've seen in my life. I'll see you there, adventurers.